I feel bad when people call India a land of snake charmers. Not for India, but for those who call the people of India as snake charmers and for their ignorance. In the next few minutes, I will tell you about some wonders of India, and when you look at these beautiful wonders, you will be shocked about our wealth, knowledge, and architecture. Number 1 is the Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple. Not just India's, but the world's richest temple is the Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple. This temple is located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. This temple is mentioned in the Vishnu Puran, Bhagavad Puran, Brahma Puran, and even in the Mahabharata. What is special about Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple? This temple vaults have 6 doors, out of which 5 doors have been opened. Behind these 5 doors was found ancient treasure. Some bags weighed more than 800 kgs. If you value this bag at the present gold rates and weights, the value of each bag will be 400 crores. The total value of this treasure will be 17 billion US dollars. From these 6 doors, the most mysterious is the vault bead door. This door has mysterious snake carvings on it. It is said that this door has a treasure far exceeding the ones found in the other 5 vaults. Stories say that this door can be opened with an ancient mantra. To know the true wealth of our ancient temples, it is not enough to know what is in the vaults. We need to know what has been managed from the temples too. The British looted $45 trillion from India, but if there is one person who looted India more than the British, it will be the Mahmud of Ghazni, the ruthless invader. This brings us to the second wonder, the Somnath Temple. Mahmud of Ghazni was a ruthless invader. Because of his temple destroying habits, he was known as the idol breaker. Somnath Temple in Gujarat was the one that was destroyed 17 times. Mahmud stole gold and silver idols from this temple. He looted ruby gemstones and even broke the shivlings in the temple. This invasion is 1000 years old. After the first plunder of the Somnath, a combined wealth of 480 crores vanished from the country overnight. These are the figures from only Mahmud's first invasion. After this, Somnath was rebuilt and looted 16 more times. The proof of this plunder is found in historians Frishta's accounts. There are some types of wealth that can't be looted, which was close to the wicked invaders but shielded from their destruction. This brings us to the Kailash Temple in the Ellora Caves complex. Number 3. Kailash Temple. The Kailash Temple is not just an Indian heritage, but a global heritage. But why? Usually, a building is made by putting lots of bricks and stones together, isn't it? The Kailash Temple is the world's largest temple carved out of a single mountain rock. These precious details have been carved by hand by our ancestors. How amazing is that? One wrong hammering can destroy the whole structure. You can see this perfection even after 1200 years. Archaeologists believe that such a temple can be constructed in more than 100 years, but it is said that this temple was constructed in only 18 years. As difficult it was to make, it was equally difficult to break it too. Aurangzeb ordered thousands of his best soldiers to destroy this temple in 3 years, but they still couldn't destroy this magnificent temple. People think temples are places of worship only, but this is the half-truth. Our books were also kept in our temples. Vedic culture was not just a written culture, but an oral culture too. Children were imparted the knowledge of Vedas in the temples. Number 4. Modern Temple of Nalanda. Nalanda was not just an international university, it was a Buddhist temple too. The library was called as Dharmakunj, which literally means the mountain of knowledge. When Bhakti Khilji looted Nalanda University, he looted another very important source of wealth present there, the library. Many rare books with single copies in the world got burnt with the library. They say Nalanda kept burning for 3 whole months. Nalanda was the first university in the world. The biggest heritage of India. When you think about it, our country's knowledge is our biggest heritage, which even after being destroyed 17 times repeatedly, gives Somnath temple the power to stand up the 18th time. Knowledge is the treasure that can never be looted from us.